In today's lesson, we'll be learning about conjectures and counterexamples. Before we begin, let's go over some key terms. A conjecture is a mathematical statement that hasn't been proven true yet. In other words, it is an educated guess. A counterexample is an example that disproves a statement. Our first conjecture states that all quadrilaterals are parallelograms. Take notice of these key words. Quadrilateral meaning four-sided, and parallelogram meaning that opposite sides are parallel. Take a minute to think about this conjecture. Is this statement true or is it false? Our original conjecture stated that all quadrilaterals are parallelograms. Let's think of some quadrilaterals. A common one is a square. I'm going to draw 90-degree angles, and I'm also going to indicate that every side is equal in length. And I'm going to show that these sides are parallel, these sides are parallel as well. So that square is a quadrilateral, and it is also a parallelogram. Another common quadrilateral is a rectangle. And again, I'm going to show the 90-degree angles. I'm going to show that opposite sides are equal in length, and that opposite sides are parallel, making this quadrilateral a parallelogram. Another quadrilateral could be a rhombus. A rhombus has sides that are all the same length as well. Opposite sides are parallel, making this quadrilateral a parallelogram. Now, what about a trapezoid? A trapezoid is a quadrilateral because it has four sides. Now, only these two sides are parallel, meaning this is a quadrilateral, but it is not a parallelogram, which makes this a counterexample to this conjecture. Therefore, the conjecture is false. Not all quadrilaterals are parallelograms. Only some are. Our second conjecture states that a triangle has only one obtuse angle. There are some key words to pay attention to. One obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is an angle that is greater than 90 degrees. If you recall, an acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Take a minute to think about the statement. Could it be true or could it be false? Our conjecture stated that a triangle has only one obtuse angle. Let's draw some triangles to see if this is true or false. Over here, you can see that that is an acute angle, this is an acute angle, but this is a obtuse angle. This triangle clearly has one obtuse angle, but is it possible to draw a triangle with two obtuse angles? Let's try. That is an obtuse angle. Let's try adding another obtuse angle. Therefore, we have two obtuse angles here, but is it possible we can create a triangle out of this situation? I don't think so. Therefore, the conjecture is true. A triangle can only have one obtuse angle at most. It cannot have two obtuse angles, otherwise it is no longer a triangle.